Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to enable the sidebar in Blocksy. Okay, so we have an example site over here. Let's just go over to one of our pages here, and let's click on Customize, and it should take us to the WordPress Customizer. And here on our left sidebar, let's go ahead and click on Sidebar, and we have some options here, but before we even enable it, before we even customize it, let's go ahead and enable it under Pages. And we can see here, page structure. Under General, we have normal width, we have narrow width, and we have left and right sidebar. And here we have our sidebar. And then now, once we go under Sidebar, we can customize it up, and you can see we have a few different layouts that we can use, and you can change the width, the gap, inner spacing, we have vertical spacing, and what the title tag is going to be. And it doesn't really appear here because we don't have any titles here. And we can separate the widgets. We can make it sticky as well. Let's wait for that to load. And you can see it's sticky, and we can also change the offset, and we can also have the last widget here, which is the tags, and you can see that only the tags follow. And if we have the entire sidebar, we have the whole sidebar that follows. And you can also toggle it on and off on desktop, tablet, mobile. All right. And we can also change our sidebar to the top or bottom depending on the mobile, depending if we want it to be responsive in that way. We can also change the default font, and these are the title. And then we have the widget fonts themselves, and you can see we can change them up there. We can also change the background color to something like that. All right. We can also change the border. If we wanted to add one, you can change the border radius, and you can also add a shadow. Okay, so once we're happy with that, let's click on Publish. Okay, once that's saved, let's go ahead and refresh our page over here, and you can see we have our sticky sidebar enabled. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.